So I want to teach you guys how to make money online. Now I have to state this. If you are lazy, leave this page now. Now that you've stayed, let's go jump into it. Others are doing it using the same phone and using the same data that you are using. And if others are doing it, you can also do it, because this is not some kind of spiritual or something, but this is something that is within your reach as well. Now, what you need is knowledge and wisdom, how to know about these things. And this is why I'm here. I want to teach you how to go about making money online. And these methods I'm going to teach you, these are the things that have worked for me. I've tried it and I've made money, and I want you also to learn it, to know it, and begin to make your own cash. Okay? So if at all you are thinking I'm here to teach you magic, this is not magic. If at all you think I'm here to teach you about money multiplication, this isn't it. I'm going to teach you a job that you can get, start doing it, and then they pay you for doing that job. So if at all you are thinking of getting free money, this is not free money, but this is money that you are working for. I'm not that guy who's going to teach you about things that may not work in your area. I'm not that guy who's going to teach you about those tutorials that you try this and this side that are not working, but I'm going to teach you only what I have tried myself. So please, if you are willing, then stay. Let us jump right into it. And before you go anywhere, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you find this video helpful, make sure you do as well. Alright guys, so on your phone, quickly go to this website called timebucks.com. Okay, so this you can either use Chrome, Opera, or any other search engine. So this can work on any phone. Right, so you edge direct to this website and you type on your phone timebucks.com. Remember, this is not to make you a billionaire, a multi-millionaire, or whatsoever, but this is just to give you some change, yeah. So you're not going to get rich by doing this. All right, so what you need to do is to sign up here. Just go ahead and sign up. Do you have an account? Okay, so if you do not have an account, you can still sign up with them. Okay, put your email there, password, and you repeat the password, then you place sign up. Remember to click I'm not a robot. Okay, so after you've done that, you are going to create your first account. All right, so as for me, I already have an account, and I'll go straight to my account so that I show you what is going on there. So login. All right, so I'm going to put my details here. All right, so once you log in, your account looks like this. Okay, so here is your dashboard. So on your dashboard, it will show you there. On the first one, it is showing earnings, referral, bonus, and your wallet. Okay, so on earnings, this is where it is going to show when you complete any tax. It is going to show there what that tax had to pay for the, what you had to earn from that particular tax. Okay, so there it is going to show you referral. There's bonus. So referral, once you refer someone to join here, they are going to give you a bonus there. And then also when you open your account, they are going to give you this bonus as well. All right, so on your wallet there, it shows the total amount of money that you have in your account. Okay, so there, that is where it is going to show you how much that you are eligible of withdrawing right there. Okay, so now when you check through here, this website, it allows There are so many activities that you can do on this website, and that each activity has got its pay. Okay, so you can also do so many things in here that attracts you to be paid. So let's check a few things here. So this is recent one, the one I was trying there. Okay, so this part shows shows the survey, the recent tax compression in your region. So in my region, it is showing me that we have some people that we are doing. This one was doing work a minute ago, and they had to earn this amount of money. And one thing that I need to mention here is that time bucks, they allow you to withdraw the money when it reaches $5. So this $5, when you convert to Zambian kwacha, we are talking about 100 kwacha or something. Okay, so you are only allowed to withdraw the money on Thursday once a week. Okay, so it doesn't mean you're just going to have that $5 now, but the more you do the work, the more you're going to earn that. Okay, so there's also this one, finished the work and they had to earn $0.11. Okay, so this, if you have to know how much it is in our currency, you have to multiply this by 19, as kwacha is trending. Okay, so these are the guys that did some work, and these are the monies that they had to earn. Okay, and paid earnings. So here, when you come here, it is showing the summary of my account. Okay, so here it is showing me the unpaid earnings. This one, they have not paid me, and the bonus and all that, referrals and all that. So the total earnings is showing this side. Okay, total paid, not yet. All right, so now let me show you guys what you need to do if you have to start your work. Okay, so there are these works here. Complete a full survey from the survey tab. Excludes day repose. Okay, so this one, you can start a survey here. They'll ask you questions, you answer those questions, you earn money. Okay, then there's also task number 2 is complete 3 push clicks. Number 3, there's also complete 3 slide shows, where you just have to watch the slides, and then at the end of the day they give you something. Okay, then there's also push clicks and all that. Okay, reward, there's also reward of this. Now let's try one. Can we go for here? Okay, let's try number 3. Okay, number 3. So these are the tags. So this is what we have on number 3. So there is offer name. This is the offer name. 35 creative cleaning tags, cleaning hacks. Sorry, this expires in 8 hours 47 minutes. So isho kola for a number ni shipari. That's why I said if you are lazy, don't even come here. The more you do this, let's go and view it. All right, so we are here. So our task here is just to view these items. Okay, that is all. So why are you viewing this? This is part of advertisement. Okay, creative cleaning hacks. So there's just a period of time that is given to these things. So you're just viewing those. Those are just advertisement. There might be articles and all that. So it is telling you to say press next. So we have how many pages? 13 pages. So when you reach the point number 13, you are going to increase your earnings there. Okay, we are here again, so we check. We are checking right here. Yep, so how many seconds? 4, 3, 2. So there's nothing more you need to do here. That is why the pay, it is just so small. Okay. All right, so you see, after completion of that tax, so we had to come back here So you see there's an increment on earnings there. It was 0.015, now it is 0.6. Okay, so that's very little. Now why very little? Because the tax that we are carrying out was not that much. That's why it was that small. Okay, so when you look at here, it will tell you to say time remaining until next offer. So the next offer is coming after 2 minutes or so. That's when you're going to have the next offer. So if at all you want to increase, or you want your tax to be at least your money to be increased, come on other offers like surveys. So when you want to undertake the survey, you see the money there. All right, so there's this one. There's Dinata survey router. So this one is 0.5 or half dollar. Okay, so half a dollar. Now that when you convert it to our currency, we are talking about a 10 kwacha. This one. So once you finish this one, you're going to get a 10 kwacha. Now this is not the only one you can finish. You also finish this one. This one you can get about a 15 kwacha. This one you can get about a 5 kwacha. This one also a 10 kwacha. This one a 10 kwacha, a 20 kwacha. So it is varying according to the tax that you are doing. Now once you reach here on your total earnings there, once your total earnings here, you will reach $5, you are able to withdraw. Once you just finish your works there, you are credited there. So you can start any of these surveys and they can offer you money as you have seen there. So this, let's look at the hourly rate. So how much you're making per hour. So this one varies. So this one you can make up to, the last one you can make up to $18 per hour. So $18 per hour, we are talking about in our currency, we are talking about a 342 kwacha once you go on this one, daily pop. Okay, so you can make about that per hour. This is daily. So now per hour, that one. So once you commit your time, you are otherwise going to make a lot from these guys. Okay, so apart from that, you come back to earnings. You also have these other types. There's content, there's click ads, all these money available to earn. So when you come here, the only money available to earn here, and here you can earn a $10 daily brand new earning. Okay, so you guys, these things I'm showing you, once it just reaches $5 there, you are able to withdraw. Okay, so I'm not just talking from without, but I'm speaking the truth, and you're able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so when you come to Lifa, so here on Lifa, you want to you refer someone to this website. So here you will get paid 15% commission on the earnings for anyone you refer to this. So wherever you refer here, they'll give you 15% of whatever they'll be making. That means if your referral earns $10, you will earn 1.5 commission. You see that? So all these things, you will receive a $1 bonus to make up for the lost commission anyway. So you can actually, when you come to referral, let me show you the last thing. When you come to referral here, you can refer your friends using your referral link. You copy it and you send them the link, or you can invite them through WhatsApp or Facebook and Twitter. So all those things you can be rewarded on. So apart from surveys make a lot of money. Content also, there's also money when you come to engage. Okay, current rate, there is 0.05 per video. So this is what I was talking about. Once you watch a video, a clip of 30 seconds, you can imagine that. So you will get paid for each video watched. You are limited to a minimum of 20 videos 20 videos views per day. That means maximum you can earn is 0.1 per day. Okay, so we are talking about every day. So if you can wake up every day, you watch 20 videos which are about 30 seconds. So if you check your 20 videos, you multiply by 30, so you are talking about 600 seconds. Okay, so you can spend actually few minutes just watching these 20 videos. 30 seconds, when you divide that by hours, you'll find that you are going to spend less than an hour or so to watch these videos, and you're going to make that much, okay, per day. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can one receive payments? Like, how do you receive payments once your payments are due? All right, so you should note that payments in here, time bucks, they are going to pay you using PayPal. Okay, so they pay you using PayPal, so you better create your PayPal account before doing this. And if you do not have a PayPal account and you love me to show you how to do that, please leave a comment below. I can actually show you how to create a PayPal account. So now let me show you how and where you can find payments. So you come on these three buttons here, you place there, okay, then you go down where it is written payments, you press payments. Okay, so with my payments so far, it is telling me you currently have no payments. So time remaining until invoice cut off. So right now, when you come here and you have payment that is due, like I mentioned, firstly you must have first you must have reached $5. You must have reached $5 so that your payments can be due. So once your payments are due, it will show you here the payments that you have which are pending to be withdrawn. Now that $5 doesn't mean that's the only money you can make. You can actually make more than that, even more than $5. So it will show on this side. Now time remaining until invoice cut out. So here is the time when you can request your payment. It can be through. Okay, so that's the period there on top there. Now once your payment is sent to your PayPal account, it takes a few days sometimes, especially on the weekends. It may take some few days to be received. Okay, sometimes it can show you on your paper that you've received, but to reflect in your bank account, it will take some time to reflect. Sometimes it may take 2 days, sometimes it may take 3 days, depending on how those days are. Okay, so this is how this thing works, guys. So if at all you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and comment. Thank you so much. Until next time, for now, bye bye.